Ana wena khapha manje ungena ngala uhlala kulomuntu lo futhi unomatize abantwana wena la. Wena.
Sela kena bikulule bose sela.
Mana comrades layo. The other one here. Please siphume siyaphuma mama la soma ungonga. Then it's another.
La benifuna. Sina sifuna ukulaleli.
Siphumani ANC asifune nkanini. Siphumani. Phumani. Siyaba escorta baphume nkanini asibafuni. Siyaba escorta. Nani mlayini aswafuni masele ANC ngaya.
What did we do? Today we're asking ourselves, what did we do to get such a bad government like yours? What did we do wrong? Speaker, when we leave our houses, we are faced with potholes, with water leaks, with sewage flowing down the streets. What have we done? Why do we deserve such a bad government like yours? Speaker, in Bible times there was like 10 plagues. How unfortunate for the people of Nelson Mandela Bay that we have to experience the 11th plague under you. Your government has become a curse to the poor people of Nelson Mandela Bay. You have returned hundreds of millions of rand that was supposed to upskill and better the living conditions of our poor people. What a curse you have become to this people of Nelson Mandela Bay. How ironic, Speaker, that this party that was very, very much instrumental in the freedom of our people has become the worst curse that we could get. If you want to ensure our freedom, Speaker, do the right thing and resign. Thank you.
Guys, ayikho into enzima njengokuhlukana ne-ANC. Kunzima ukuhlukana ne-ANC, i-ANC kagogo, i-ANC yami. Leya ingiprotecta ngiyingane amasosha MK kaChrisani. La khule ngiprotecta. Kunzima ngakhula ngawubuka u-ANC RDP lungisa umgwaqo, renovate izikole, lungisa amahholo, wenza ama-indoor sport center phambi kwami ngibuka. Ulungisa amapaki sesikwazi ukudlala sesiney'ndawo zama-sports. Asike siney'ndaba zama-sport uthe suka lapho noma ngizothi uzuma noma ubani ngcono ngithi u-ANC uthe usuka lapho u-ANC wathi hayi man kunogogo abangafundile waqasha abantu ukuthi emahholo njalo ntambama ogogo bayofunda ukubhala. Hayibo sithe sathuswe yilokho kwathiwa hayibo akudliwe ey'koleni. Mina phela ngafunda ngingasadliwe esikoleni. Kwathiwa akudliwe ey'koleni. Sithe sathuswe yilokho kwathiwa no man abantu bayalamba. Abantu bayalamba akudliwe njalo ehholo ngo-1 kuyaphakwa. For years and years kwa-1 kudliwe. Mawuhlala kade ulamba wawusuka uthanda. Every day ehholo kuyaphekwa. Uphuma esikoleni udlule nesitsha sakho uphaka ukudla ehholo uhambe. Ongasebenzi ohlala ekhaya wayisuka emini ahamba yophaka ukudla aphathe nesitsha sakhe azokudla ntambama. Akekho umuntu owayelala kade engadlanga. Wayesuke ethanda lowo muntu ngoba ehholo kwakuphekwa every day. Ngelinye ilanga yamasi, ngelinye ilanga ufish, ngelinye ilanga isitambu, ngelinye ilanga ngazi sinkwa namathambo. Uyezwa? Sithe sisathuswe yilokho wathi u-ANC hayi man yazi la imlazi kumbi kunabo forum abadala labo forum abadala laba abarenovatiwe. Abantu bakhona kusebenza umuntu wavele wathi uNC wathi barenovate bonke forum eMlazi. Awukho nje uforum obhedayo, yabo makhona uforum obhedayo bona bamanuku. Wa renovate uforum, kwa renovate uforum eMlazi. Ba renovate imigwaqo. Kwathiwa kunabantu abaqeda isikole abangasebenzi, kunabantu abangasiqedanga isikole, kunabantu abanjani. Every time kune construction eyenzakalayo la sithatha bona labantu awusababuka schoolmates bama bakhuthele bandla sebethola umsebenzi befaka ama-overall beqhuma umgwaqo benzani, abanye bethatha udoti, abanye benzani. Phambi kwami ngethemka Sizo, may her soul rest in peace. Kanje phambi kwami kwakade kukhona onompilo bengaholi kwathi hayi man abaholo onompilo man abathole something, but onompilo they understand into engiyibukile, khuluma ngento engiyibukile mina, into engiyibukile engiyibuka yenzeka, ngayibuka yenzeka kusuka lapho kwathiwa angazi amathenda njani hayibo makhelwane benza amatiye, abanye bepheka amakhekhe, abanye benzani manginemhlangano ya-ANC okunani abantu benamathenda benzani amathenda. Ngabona abantu bephenduka ama-millionaires phambi kwami. Sithe sathuswe iloko kwathiwa hayibo ama-food parcel, kwathiwa ama-food parcel. Nina mhlawumbe niyibonanga leyo nto, ngayibona mina i-MK kaChrisani yayifika izongivusa ithi mshana namhlanje silale emfuleni ibhemile, kulalwe emfuleni namhlanje ibhemile. Yabo abantu baka A D V Q P R bayazi thina ongeke nje uhlale ekitchen, thina uhlale ekitchen ngo7 ukhanyisa ikhandlela ungazi ukuthi wenzani. Kwakusho inhlamvu, awuzwa ngenhlamvu idlula ngewindi, ngene ewindini yoshaya ukhabethe lelo. Sunday kwakukhona abantu ababemasha bephethe ocelemba, bephethe induku, bephethe imvubu. Ulunguze kanje Sunday usaba uyingane usaba uSunday wethu sasuke sazi ukuthi khona abantu abazofika laba bahleze bethi bazosibulala thina sonke nomalume, singa understand ukuthi sibulawelani kwayikona lapho, ngoba thina sasazi ukuthi kuliwa nabelungu. Ubalunguze kanje ngewindow babuke bedlula beshona le, badlula omalume bathi mshana ungayi estation, muke waye station 2 uhlala kuphi, ungasho ukuthi uhlala kade. Uthi uyeza umalume othize lapha ngase station usebulewe wagaxa ithayi. Mina ngikhule ngesikhathi abantu besagaxa ithayi, nalapho hayi ukuthi ugaxa ithayi mhlawumbe khona untshontshile, ugaxa ithayi ukuthi ubonakala ufaka iskipa esinoMandela. Mina ngikhule ngazi ukuthi nje iskipa esinoMandela siqokwa. Uke wagqoka iskipa esinoMandela washona le, sekukhamba kwakho. Uke wagqoka ibhlukwe washona le, sekukhamba kwakho. Ngixoxele, sekukhamba kwakho, you are gone. Uzothola ushiswe ngethayi, uzothola ubulewe, uzothola ukrajiwe, uzothola ubulewe. We kwaze kwanzima ukushiya iANC. Niyawabona ama memories enginawo neANC. Kwaze kwanzima ukushiya iANC. Kuningi kunesikhathi la kwakuthiwa khona asikese abantu abahambe bayofunda, kufundwa izinto zezandla, kufunda ukubhaka, kufundwani, uphinde uthole asikese uphinde uthole ne-pocket money. Uyangi-understand? Hayi ma engeke kunzima phela u-ANC uvumele abantu bafika bazokona igama le-structure ekubeni sebesebenzile bavumela labo bantu labo bona igama le-structure labo bantu bajike bashiya i-structure u-ANC wasala negama elibi. Thina ke esubonile u-ANC usenzele iqiniso ke sesiseleke manje asisazi ukuthi sokwenza njani. Uma sithi hayi u-ANC sizothukwa nizongithuka kufanele futhi ngiyayizwa lento engikhuluma ngayo mina. Intuthuko mina ngiyibone ngamehlo. Mina intuthuko ngiyibone ngamehlo. Ngibonile mina eMlazi kuphendula umhlanga. EMlazi uphendula umhlanga ngibonile. Ngizothini? Ngizoyidefenda ngithini i-ANC after everything abayenzile emva kwalokho. After amakhansela e-ANC ekwazile ukuthi athatha ama-RDP, mhlawumbe i-RDP ibhalwe ngami, ayithatha ayidayisela iphoyisa, ayithatha adayisela unesi. Bangakho nesi namaphoyisa abahlala ku-RDP namhlanje. Bangakho abantu ababethi bakuphantshwa ama-ID abo kwi-system kuvela ukuthi banama-RDP somewhere kodwa bakazi ba-own ama-RDP. Ngizothini? Zobadefenda ngithini? Ngithini mina amakhansela bethatha ama-food parcel ayo wavalela kwawo? Ngizothini? Ngithini amakhansela eshintshe indlela kade wenziwa ngayo izinto ukuthi wonke umuntu akathola ukuthi kwaqala phansi kwathiwa manje ukuze uthole into ufanele ube nekhadi le-ANC? Ngithini mina? Ngoba phela umuntu bekufanele ayidecidele yona i-ANC bekufanele yenze umsebenzi. Ngibadefende ngithini mina uma kuwukuthi ama-tender thize njengama-tender okupheka abenikezwa abantu ababodwa, abenika abantu abathize abanye bengawatholi ngoba bona bebazi ukuthi nalabo bantu labo baka-ANC bakhipha ama-tender bazothola ini, bazothola ishare. Ngibadefende ngithini? I can't defend them. Ngihleli nje la mina I'm hanging with good memories. Nezinto ezinhle ezenziwe u-ANC kuzophelela lapho. Ngizothini? Imina ngedwa ozovotela u-ANC? Ayikho into engizoyisho. Bamoshile, basebenzile, basebenza emva kwalokho bamosha. Basebenza ngisho sesibanikezile last chance sesithi hayibo lungisana abantu benu nayi last chance. Uzubona ukuthi yabo laba bokuqala labo kuyibona abasayinayo bayawenza umsebenzi. Indaba ikulaba mase kufanele izinto ifike kuthina. Hayi ziphelela la.
Yabona before ngigxeke i-ANC ngiyafuna ukusho ukuthi there was a time i-ANC yayi-ANC. Yabona there was a time yabona le badge le it was very respected. Yabona even before 1994 there was a time ukuthi mawukhuluma nge-ANC kucaca ukuthi ukhuluma ngani. There was a time, but manje i-problem esinayo, there's into engayifunda kwa psychology abathi i-Stockholm syndrome. Lando yokuba in love with i-abuser yakho, umuntu akuhlukumeze but umthande. I'm sure nike nabona indawo eziningi uthola ukuthi usisi indoda imshaya abebovu, imshaya cishe ukufa, but uyothe sephola nje indoda izobe imncenga aphinda abuye bathandana ngathi akaze kwenzeka nix. Iphinde imshaye futhi kuphinde kube ileso bawolamulwa ukufa komuntu oyedwa kubo. Abanye kuze kufethwe point ukuthi bathathane boyi-2 indoda idubula umama idubule naye bafe. Yini enza umuntu ahlale kangaka ehlukunyezwa kwe-relationship? It's because of that disease, not a disease, syndrome. Land ukuthi body yakho wants to cope, so the best way to cope ukuthi ifall in love with the abuser yakho. Uyazi ukuthi kuyenzeka umuntu umkidnap uhlale naye, one way ukuthi body ikwazi ukusurvive ingqondo yakhe ikwazi ukusurvive izofuna ukuthi i-develop ama-feelings for i-kidnapper yakho. Ayenze konke umuntu but i-reality to some people bayibiza ukuthi Stockholm syndrome. And umuntu esemathandweni ngaleyo ndlela akathandi ngoba uyathanda, uthanda because usehlukumezeke kakhulu and akayiboni enye indlela noma wathi uyambonisa ukuthi nansi enye option, hambe emaphoyiseni yenza ukuthi angakakuzwe. I've heard these stories where ufumantu sisibeka shaywa wangena wathathwa ifamily yakhe, indoda yothi gqi on Sunday nje kungona esephola namabhulu ayakhe ehla ifike nje namaflower bethi bemtshoti nangu ngiyakutshela ubephume ehambe yapho because we in love with the abuser yakhe. And leyo nto leyo kumele yena ezumuntu aze afike la decide yena, because ngeke ancedwe amaphoyisa, yancedwa umuntu kumele yena ezumuntu abused decide ukuthi today is today, ngiyayeka le ndoda ngisho abuse, ngiyayeka. Because if aka decide yogcina ephuma ngebhokisi kuleyo relationship. My reason yokusho le nto is because I feel ukuthi sikwi same situation ne-ANC. Isimo esethu siyafana. ANC isebenzile yawenza umsebenzi but manje siyarojwa. Le nto esenzwa yona i-ANC manje akusiyo. And futhi abantu be-ANC I don't think they are aware of i-damage abayenzayo. Yazi mina ngithi if i-ANC uyayithanda it's fine. Mhlawumbe ubone enye option onoyivotela it's fine. But don't you think siyayidinga a restart? Like it's been more than 30 years i-ANC iphethe. But i-problems zethu ziyakhula zehle. Mhlawumbe sothi at this point i-experience iyakhanta. They've been running the country for more than 30 years. Mhlawumbe manje kumele abe inkinga zibheda, because one thing for sure, i-ANC has the best policies. I-policies ze-ANC, if you read manifesto zabo yonke into bawu-one, they come best. But what is the problem? The problem is that kuzothiwa kuhlele emeetingini kube ukuthi kuplanwa ngokuthi kuzolungiswa indlela mhlawumbe u-N1 la ngaphandle. I-comrade eli-1 kule meeting lizozwa ukuthi kufunwa amakhampani ekumele azokhanda le ndlela, uyogijima uyocreate i-company, i-construction company engenabasebenzi ama-ghost ward, abuya abhide nabanye a-influence labantu abazochoose the best company, choose i-company yakhe ayokwenza into engekho pha akana-experience. Kumosheka yonke into, ikhosta nathi. Indlela ithi yakhiwe namhlanje next day nama-potholes. So if ngathiwa ngibala what is wrong with the ANC ngaphela ilanga kuningi kakhulu. So isicelo sami kule video ukuthi even if uyithanda kangakanani i-ANC, I'm sure now as a person you want to change. Now as a person you want something different. Awukwazi ukudla ipapa Monday to Monday, Monday to Monday. It's been 30 years isiphethwe abantu ababodwa. 30 years. And by the look of things, kuwe ngathi kuthathwa the baddest of the baddest izosiphatha. Akekho umuntu ekuthiwa lo u-fresh from the box, akana nix, u-clean. Kukhushwa from i-box la ubona konke kubolile. Yabona manje basibulala bona ngokwabo. Kwenzeka lento yenzeka kwi-Rome. I-Rome was too powerful to a point ukuthi it killed itself. It killed itself ngokuthi kubadla utshwala kube khona ukulalana kungacontroleki, because i-Rome was too powerful ukuthi ingabulawa i-enemy from outside. Even the ANC was too powerful ukuthi ingadefeatwa from the outside. They've tried, the COPE has tried, DA tried, so many political parties tried ukuthi i-ANC bahluleka, but i-ANC izwise yona. So mina ngifuna ukucela umuntu ukuthi nge-4 November awuyeke ANC yakho eyithanda musivele, just uyifaka pause and see what happens uma kuphethe abanye abantu, so that ukena uthole that breath of fresh air. Angazi kuningi engathi ngiyakubala nge-ANC. Today uyakwazi ukuthi uyovula ishop ufike abantu befuna i-protection fee. Today uyakwazi ukuthi ubanjwe inkunzi igebengu ezingasabi ngisho ikhamera ezingena ikhamera ziyibuye kanje zihambe, because they know consequences azikho. Ubani alawe yonke lento le? Nansi badge phezulu. Because labantu uyazi makuthiwa ukwejwayela kuyayibulala ingqondo, sebajwayele. Uyazi ukuthi ngo-2020 before i-America isinika imali kwakhuzwana bebakhuzana bonke ukuthi ningayitshontshi le imali, because kwi-state capture ningayitshontshi. Hawu akuphela ngisho 3 months ingenile imali yabe isitshontshwa, kwaqhamuka ama-ambulance angathi amabhayisikili. So kuningi engakhuluma nge-ANC ngize ngiphela amandla. Mina ngicela ukuthi just kayi-1 sipause siphinde sibuyele ku-ANC after sibone kwenzakalani if enye party Iran. Just kayi-1 sibone kwenzakalani. If we're not happy, so besazi okay, we tried inyama, we tried spinach, we tried cabbage, we prefer inyama than ukuthi sime for 30 years endaweni one and we can see the country has collapsed. I don't think lento le reflector something good ngathi.
I encourage all young people of South Africa to vote out ANC. Spread the word. Guys, there's so many of us. There are so many young people in South Africa. Let's vote out ANC. I don't care what you're voting for, but vote out ANC. Let's vote out ANC, man.
Hello good people, welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, please make sure you do the right thing. You press that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Good people, ANC isiphathe eSouth Africa over 30 years now. And ziningi izinto ezinhle esikhombayo ezenziwe iANC for the past few years under different presidents. Kodwa ke lokho akusho ukuthi iANC izophatha until Jesus comes. As we grow older, izinto ziyachinja emhlabeni. And mina njengami ngibelivela ukuthi umuntu masanethezeke kakhulu like maka comfort zone ugcina asakhohlwa ukuthi yini umsebenzi wakhe, yini into ayizele lapha suka hleli khona. iANC inabaholi abaningi different provinces, and kulama different provinces kunabanye abantu abathi yo iANC asisayifuni, abanye bathi no thina iANC sisase happy ngayo. So good people, I will encourage the youth of South Africa to go and vote nge-4 November. Votela iparty oyifunayo, oyithandayo, obonayo ukuthi it's for South Africans. Hayi iparty against ama South Africans. So leyo party leyo yaziwa nguwe as an individual. Let's go and vote. Good people, please comment your thoughts below. Tell us what do you think, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Kulungile, bye. See you on the next one.